What is society? It is a web of relationship between a group of people. We as an individual interact with lot of other people, family, friends, even other strangers, auto wale bhaiya, grocery wale bhaiya, all of these we interact with. We have some meaningful interaction with each one of them, and that is how a society is made. So in simple terms, it is interaction between members of a group, and this group is known as society. Can there be a society of one person? There cannot be. Society means more than one. And when we say more than one, then we can increase from individual to family, family to community, community to nation state, and nation state to world. All of this can be a society. Individual cannot be a society. Two people can be a group, but not properly a society. But it's a vague definition. You cannot be, there is no strict definition. 5 लोग होंगे तो society होगी या 1500 होंगे तब society. There is no definition. But yes, one person cannot make a society. All of this is impacting each other. Yesterday we saw. Give me an example how community impacts nation. Very good answer. So farmers protested and state had to change its policy. How state impacts community? Law. It changes. Simple. Now there is a ban on child marriage. So even if some community used to practice it, but now because there is a law from the state, there is a ban on child marriage practice. Polygamy also. All of this is clear, all the examples we discussed. Okay. What next did we discuss in this? But why society? Why? क्यों जरूरत है हमें सोसाइटी की? Single person cannot do everything. We need division of labor. Second, rules and regulation ensure order. Third, personality development. So society creates environment where each one of us can develop our own personalities. Fourth, social contract. Social contract क्या है? Every one of us give a little freedom or right so that we can get lot of facilities. So we said, okay, we will not run amok. We will not run here and there on roads. Let there be some rules and we will also follow. So we gave up our right to run here and there so that there can be order. Everyone can move according to particular order in society. Simple? Okay. What were the features or characteristics of society? Any society, any. Population, territory, mutual awareness, common culture, and sense of unity. Population, some number has to be there, we have seen. Territory, is it fixed? It is getting diluted with the increase in technology. Now we have communities on Facebook, we have communities on WhatsApp, we have communities in video games. And in video games, you can find people from all across. And sometimes people become so attached to their groups and communities of video games, है ना? उसको एक लाइफ देनी है. देखा है नहीं देखा? खेलते नहीं खेलते देखें? पता है कैसे चलते हैं लोग? It make you so addictive. You know, video games are so addictive. Then you just spend money to buy that life कि मुझे जीतना है somehow. So that community becomes really strong. So now this territory is getting diluted. It's no more a criteria of being a society. Okay, mutual awareness means we know about each other. We have a certain expectation from each other. Doesn't society place a certain expectation on us? How? Okay, let us understand how family, society places certain expectations on us. In a family you go, and if you see father running, playing games, playing pranks, and not taking care of everybody, और वो सारा दिन बैठ के नेटफ्लिक्स, आप कहते हो कि ये फादर हैं? नहीं, एक रोल डिसाइड कर दिया ना सोसाइटी ने फादर का. Father should be like this, and now each father has to comply to that expectation. Mother is expected to behave in a particular manner. Expectation, and now mother has to comply to it. Children, तुम ऐसे थोड़े ना कहते हो, और सुरेश, अगर आपके पापा का नाम सुरेश है, और सुरेश क्या हाल चाल है, चलेगा? नहीं कहते ना. Why? You're not expected to do that. Society has taught you not to do that. This means that society shapes our personality. The way we are, is being shaped by whom? By society. यानी कि हमारी जो सोच है, do you think what you think is independent of society? अच्छा, how many of you think taking care of child is a mother's job? Raise your hand, please. Okay. Again, how many of you think that women should be dressed decently? अरे तुम लोग ऐसे ऐसे करो जैसे तुम्हें मैं कुछ कह दूंगी. It's okay. It's fine. Until and unless you express yourself, we will not be able to understand society in an in-depth manner. If she is a woman, then she should behave dress like a woman. Yes. Oh yes. This is what we want. So this means that we have put expectations on each. So supposedly political leader should behave like a political leader. हमने expectation political leader पे भी कर दी ना, teacher पे भी कर दी. Certain expectation out of a teacher. This means whatever profession you are carrying, there is an expectation out of you. If you are a member of family, there is an expectation out of you. If you are in society, there is an expectation out of you. Supposedly, you don't comply to these expectations, you will become outcast. पागल है ये, ऐसे थोड़े ना होता है, ऐसे थोड़े ना करते हैं. आ जाएगा ना तुरंत आप उसको पागल डिक्लेयर कर दोगे, आप उसे डिफरेंट डिक्लेयर कर दोगे. तो जो सोसाइटी है हमारी, it has a very important role to play. If we don't understand society, actually we are not understanding our own selves, what biases we are carrying. And if you don't understand yourself, when you go as an officer to work at the ground level, you will work with your own bias. I will tell you how. We will be starting, we will do a little bit of society, more general points. We will write one answer and then we will do caste. But to make you understand a little bit how important studying society is. Supposedly you are from urban background. How many of you are from urban background? From rural background, how many of you are from rural background? Okay, still. तो दो एग्जाम्पल लेंगे, लगभग इक्वल है हमारी क्लास में अर्बन और रूरल, है ना. तो दो एग्जाम्पल लेंगे. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, you are from urban background, you have never seen caste discrimination, you have never faced it, and that is why you feel कि क्या कास्ट लगाते रहते, पता नहीं क्यों पढ़ाते रहते हैं, रिजर्वेशन भी दे दिया, हमारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज खत्म कर दी, and this and that. So you go to a village and there you find कि एक अपर कास्ट व्यक्ति लोअर कास्ट व्यक्ति मतलब के साथ कुछ एट्रोसिटी कर रहा है. वो उसको चप्पल पहन के चलने नहीं दे रहे हैं, है ना. वो उसको सर पे पगड़ी पहन के चलने नहीं दे रहे हैं. He has to take off his पगड़ी because he is in front of upper caste. Now you are not able to understand why is it happening. You go to that lower caste person. No. I am an officer and I am telling you, government has said right to equality. Everybody is equal in front of law and you don't have to sit downstairs or you don't have to sit on floor. You can sit in, you know, adjacent to the person of upper caste. Now this person is saying, आप ऑफिसर हो ठीक है, लेकिन यहाँ ऐसा ही चलता है, आप तो चले जाओगे, आपकी पोस्टिंग आएगी, आप चले जाओगे, 2 महीने बाद ये जो मुझसे बदला लेंगे, 2 महीने बाद जो होगा वो कौन झेलेगा? समझ में आई बात? Can you understand? Now, as a convent educated urban person, you are not able to understand the core issues and the reality. That is why it's important to study society. Again, if you are from rural background, you are posted in a city, there you are invited to a urban party, you know, urban officer party, and there you see women taking liquor and they are smoking also, and now like, oh baba papa, ये सब क्या हो रहा है, ये लोग तो अच्छे लोग नहीं है, ये अच्छे लोग नहीं है, ये सब पाप हो रहा है मेरी आंखों के आगे. Now suddenly you are not able to, you know, get that feeling. You cannot gel with those people. You suddenly feel those all women who are taking liquor are bad, they are Dians. Suddenly you have that feeling. And now as an officer, one lady comes to you and says, sir, you are an officer, I have faced an issue of sexual harassment, please help. लेकिन आप तो अपने बायसेस लेके घूम रहे थे, आपको तो लग रहा था ऑलरेडी पापी लेडी है वो, आपने कहा तुम्हारे साथ तो होना ही चाहिए था, कोई बात नहीं. But is an officer be like this? There has to be a level of sensitivity. Those two things are very different. Sexual harassment is something different, and whatever her personal domain of activities or habits is different. Can you understand? That is why wherever background you are coming from, it's very important to study society, and this understanding should get reflected in your answers, ethics and essays. All the 3 areas should reflect your understanding. Better your understanding, better your explanation and arguments.